Hello, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into why you must stretch in the morning and how it can transform your day and your life. Yes, I'm talking about stretching in the morning. Have you ever woken up feeling stiff, sluggish, or just plain tired? What if I told you that a simple daily habit could change that and set you up for a day full of energy, focus, and well-being? Before we proceed, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your morning exercise routine. We love to hear from you. Be part of our health, wellness, and fitness community. From boosting your flexibility and improving circulation to enhancing your mental clarity and preventing injuries, morning stretching has countless benefits. Stretching is more than just a warm-up for your muscles. It's a process that helps to lengthen muscle fibers, improve joint range of motion, and enhance overall flexibility. When you stretch, your muscles are gently pulled, and this triggers a response in your nervous system, telling your muscles to relax. This is why stretching can help reduce tension and promote relaxation. Physiologically, stretching involves several key components of your body. First, your muscles and tendons, the fibrous tissues that connect muscles to bones, are stretched, which helps to increase flexibility and range of motion. But that's not all. Stretching also enhances the production of synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints. This fluid is essential for smooth, pain-free movement, especially after a long night's sleep when your body may feel stiff. Did you know that stretching also has a significant impact on your nervous system? Stretching activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is often referred to as the rest and digest system. This part of your nervous system helps to reduce stress, lower your heart rate, and promote a sense of calm. By stretching in the morning, you can start your day with a relaxed mind and body, setting a positive tone for the hours ahead. Another fascinating aspect of stretching is its role in muscle memory. When you regularly stretch, your muscles remember the lengthened position, which makes it easier for you to maintain flexibility and range of motion over time. This is particularly important as we age, because flexibility naturally decreases with time. Consistent stretching can help slow down this process and keep your body feeling young and agile. One of the most obvious benefits of morning stretching is improved flexibility. Flexibility refers to the ability of your muscles and joints to move through their full range of motion. When you stretch regularly, your muscles become more pliable and your joints can move more freely. This not only makes daily activities easier, but also reduces the risk of injuries. Stretching in the morning jump-starts your circulation. As you stretch, blood flow to your muscles increases, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to them. This enhanced circulation can help reduce muscle soreness, improve recovery from exercise, and give you an overall energy boost to start your day. Ever wake up with a stiff neck or sore back? Morning stretching can help alleviate these common issues. By gently stretching your muscles first thing in the morning, you can reduce stiffness and discomfort. Stretching also helps to relieve tension that may have built up in your muscles overnight, which can lead to a more comfortable and pain-free day. Poor posture is a common problem, especially for those who spend a lot of time sitting at a desk or looking down at their phones. Morning stretching can help correct poor posture by lengthening tight muscles and strengthening those that have become weak. For example, stretching your chest and shoulders can counteract the effects of slouching, while stretching your hip flexors can help improve alignment in your lower body. Stretching in the morning is like giving your body a warm-up for the day. It prepares your muscles and joints for the activities ahead, whether that's a workout, a day at the office, or running errands. By improving flexibility and range of motion, stretching helps reduce the risk of strains, sprains, and other injuries. Stretching isn't just good for your body, it's also great for your mind. By increasing blood flow and oxygen to the brain, stretching can help improve mental clarity and focus. This means you'll start your day feeling more alert and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. One of the most significant mental benefits of stretching is stress reduction. As mentioned earlier, stretching activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation. This can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety, leaving you feeling more balanced and at ease. Did you know that stretching can also improve your mood? When you stretch, your body releases endorphins, which are the feel-good chemicals that help to boost your mood. This can help combat feelings of depression or anxiety, leaving you feeling happier and more content. Stretching is a great opportunity to practice mindfulness. By focusing on your breath and the sensations in your body, you can develop a deeper awareness of how you feel. This can help you to tune in to any areas of tension or discomfort and address them before they become bigger issues. How you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. By incorporating stretching into your morning routine, you're making a conscious choice to prioritize your health and well-being. This can lead to increased energy levels, improved mood, and a more positive outlook on life. One of the keys to a successful morning routine is consistency. When you make stretching a regular part of your morning, you create a sense of structure and routine in your life. This can help you feel more organized, focused, and in control of your day. Remember, starting your day with just a few minutes of stretching can make a huge difference in how you feel and perform throughout the day. Tomorrow morning, set your alarm just a few minutes earlier and start your day with some of the stretches we've discussed. Your body and mind will thank you. And if you're already incorporating stretching into your morning routine, let us know in the comments below. What benefits have you noticed? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos.